The Chande Kroll Stop Indicator is a versatile tool that helps traders identify where to place trailing stops to manage risk effectively in trending markets. Created by Tushar Chande and Stanley Kroll, this indicator adapts to changing price conditions, providing dynamic stop levels that can guide traders in determining both entry and exit strategies. To add this indicator on TradingView, simply go to the Indicators menu and type in Chande Kroll Stop to access it. The Chande Kroll Stop uses principles similar to the average true range, focusing on the volatility of the asset to determine where stop levels should be placed. It calculates upper and lower stop lines, which move based on the prevailing trend direction. When the price is trending upwards, the lower line acts as a trailing stop for long positions, whereas in a downtrend, the upper line trails behind as a stop for short positions. This dual-line system helps traders visualize their risk level clearly and dynamically adjust their stops as the price evolves. A significant strength of the Chande Kroll Stop Indicator is its ability to help traders stay in a position while the trend is still intact, avoiding premature exits caused by minor pullbacks. It works particularly well in markets that exhibit strong trends but can also adapt to shorter-term trading if the settings are adjusted. Traders have the option to customize the number of periods used for calculations, which directly influences the sensitivity of the indicator. A shorter period will result in stop levels that are closer to the price, ideal for more active trading, while a longer period will smooth out the stop, allowing more room for price fluctuations. The flexibility of Chande Kroll Stop makes it applicable to a wide range of trading styles. For trend-following traders, the indicator can be particularly useful as it visually identifies where to place stops without second-guessing the market's direction. In an uptrend, as long as the price remains above the trailing stop level, it signals that there is no reason to exit the trade. Conversely, when the price drops below the trailing line, it indicates that the trend may be reversing, thus triggering an exit. This clear visual signal can be extremely beneficial, especially for traders who struggle with timing their exits. While it is primarily used for setting stop-loss levels, the Chande Kroll Stop Indicator can also help identify potential reversals. For instance, when the price crosses below the stop level in an uptrend, it can be a signal to not only exit long positions, but also consider entering a short position if other indicators support that decision. By using Chande Kroll Stop alongside momentum indicators such as the RSI or MACD, traders can add an extra layer of confirmation to their decisions, reducing the chances of reacting to false signals. However, it's essential to understand the limitations of the Chande Kroll Stop. In highly volatile markets, the indicator may generate false signals, as rapid price swings can lead to frequent crossings of the stop lines. During such periods, traders may find themselves stopped out too early or missing out on potential profits if they solely rely on this indicator. To mitigate this, traders should consider using other tools, such as trend lines or volume, to validate the signals provided by the Chande Kroll Stop.